Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to create a landing page in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. To start, navigate to Flows. Add a flow. Choose Landing Page. Add a title, then add a text. Feel free to add whatever you wish. In this tutorial, let's add a button. Once you are done with your flow, click Publish. Now it's time to preview. There you go! We just created a landing page on nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.